I need to whisper because people are talking in the background. Sorry about that. But yeah. So I promised I would put like a video up for the fireworks show, and I did. So yeah. I'm trying to get an action figure or whatever, a doll thing. And I already have the lovely phone. The lovely phone was actually the first item I actually got, so I was pretty lucky. Let's get in. I think at the fireworks show is, let me check. So yeah, I got the lovely phone on my first try. Yeah, I like that. I like the lovely phone. And I think you can still get the thingy, the Katrina shop. Leave a comment down below. Can you actually get Katrina's shop without having to go to her tent? Because I think so. That'll be pretty cool. I like that. So you can go every day. Reset Center, open up. Reset Center, open up. Why you not open up? Everyone's happy. Yay. I'm happy too. It's going. Is he done packing or what? He's not done packing, and I am not at my own home today. I am actually at my friend's house. So you might hear a racket in the background because they're talking about business and stuff. So yeah. Well, I hope you liked this episode today, and I hope you have a fantastic